Today, let's explore the Facebook Business Suite Planner for 2025 and how it can help you manage your social media like a pro. If you're running a business, building a brand, or managing multiple accounts, planning your content in advance is essential. The Facebook Business Suite Planner is designed to make this process simple, organized, and efficient, so you can save time while reaching your audience effectively. The planner allows you to schedule posts across Facebook and Instagram all in one place. You can create posts, choose the date and time to publish, and even preview how they will look before they go live. This makes it easy to plan a consistent posting schedule without having to manually post every day. Consistency is key for engagement, and the planner helps ensure your content reaches your audience at the right time. Another great feature is the calendar view, which gives you a clear overview of your scheduled content. You can see what's planned for the week or month at a glance, making it easier to spot gaps, adjust your strategy, and coordinate campaigns. For beginners, this visual layout is a game changer because it keeps your posting organized and prevents last-minute stress. The planner also integrates insights and performance tracking. After your posts go live, you can see how they are performing directly within Business Suite. This allows you to learn what type of content resonates with your audience and adjust future posts accordingly. Over time, this makes your content strategy smarter and more effective. Another helpful tool is drafts and reusable content. You can save post ideas, captions, and media in the planner so that you don't have to recreate content from scratch every time. This feature is especially useful if you run promotions, share tips, or post recurring content regularly. Having a library of ready-to-use posts saves you time and keeps your feed consistent. Finally, the Facebook Business Suite Planner makes team collaboration easier. If you have multiple team members, you can assign tasks, review drafts, and schedule posts together in one platform. This ensures everyone is on the same page, and your social media workflow stays smooth and organized. Using the Facebook Business Suite Planner in 2025 is a smart way to stay consistent, organized, and strategic with your content. By planning ahead and tracking results, you can grow your online presence efficiently and reach your audience more effectively. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more practical social media tips and tutorials.